There is nothing like some juicy, well-seasoned baked chicken. On the screen here, I have some of the best baked chicken you will ever taste in your life, and believe me when I tell you that this is a super easy recipe for you to follow. Your whole family will absolutely love this dish. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave a like for your boy as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. All right, guys, we have ourselves a young bird. I don't have the exact weight, but as you can see, it's a decent sized bird, not too big, not too little. And you do want to get your kitchen shears out because we're gonna be doing some cutting. We're gonna slice right along the back of this bird, just like so. And like I said, this is such an easy recipe, guys. There is nothing to it. Super easy, super simple. You cannot mess this up. Well, you can, but I doubt that you will, guys, because I believe in you. It's super easy, yo. So I'll just slicing it right down the back, and you want to grab a big old knife and you want to go along that bone. That's like the breastbone right there in the middle, and you want to put some pressure on that bone, and you will hear it crack. You're gonna give it a little bit of tap and you're gonna hear that bone crack, and this is gonna lay the bird kind of flat. You're gonna see in a second here, once I get it cracked all the way, it's gonna lay nice and flat for us. Just like so, guys, nothing to it. Once we're done doing that, we're gonna get our olive oil out and we about to get our masseuse on. We gotta pour some oil all over this bird, and we're gonna massage that olive oil all up on that bird, just like so. You know, just be nice to it, guys. Be nice to it. You know, when you take your time and you give it that nice massage, it's gonna taste 10 times better, bro. Trust me. You know, keep your bird happy. All right. And we're gonna do that to both sides. You're gonna oil up the first side, flip it over, oil up the other side. Be careful with these bones here, like it's kind of sharp here and there, so you want to be careful. And once I have it oiled up, we're gonna break out the seasonings. On the screen here, I have a list of the seasonings that we're gonna be using to get our bird seasoned up to perfection, tasting right, tasting perfect. You know us, we're gonna go crazy with the seasoning, guys, because that's what we do around here. Do not be scared of the seasoning. May the force be with you. Let that seasoning fly, let it go. We gotta season that bird up correctly. If your chicken don't look like this, send it back to the kitchen because I don't want it. You gotta season up that bird perfect, guys. That's where the flavor is at. The chicken's still gonna talk. You still gonna get that flavor of the chicken, but you need that good seasoning. You need that nice crispy crust on the outside of that skin to talk to you while you munching down to that chicken. You know what I'm talking about? So make sure you're very generous with the seasoning. Make sure you get everything coated. Get underneath those wings. Get in all the little cracks and crevices. Make sure that bird is seasoned up perfect, guys. Go crazy. Once we got our chicken seasoned up, looking oh so beautiful, we're gonna break out our wire rack as well as some non-stick spray. We're gonna spray that rack down so we don't get no sticky chicken on there. Make sure it's all sprayed up, and then lay that bird right up on that thing. Get your oven preheated to 400 degrees, and this is what we're gonna do. We're actually gonna grab some aluminum foil, and we're gonna kind of wrap the top of this bird just like so. You're gonna see me slap some foil on there, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna bake it at 400 at first. 400 for 30 minutes covered. After that 30 minutes is up, we want to remove that foil and let it bake for another 30 minutes. And you also want to have your thermometer on hand. You want to make sure your chicken's fully cooked. Should be about 165 internal temperature once your chicken is fully cooked, because you know ovens vary here and there. And once it comes out, once you bake it for about an hour total, maybe a little bit more, you get this. The end result is this: a delicious, juicy chicken. So good. That chicken talks to you while it's on the plate. That's how good that chicken is. Chicken like, hurry up and bite, hurry up and eat me, because it's just talking to you. It looks so good. Your family is gonna love this recipe because it's just so good. It's hard to put it in words. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Deuces.